Chapter 2. The Earth's Neighbours. The Solar System. Like us, the Sun also has its family. The Sun's family consists of planets, moons or satellites, asteroids, comets and other objects. The family of the Sun is called the Solar System. There are 8 planets in the Solar System. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. After the Sun, they are the largest bodies in the Solar System. All the planets move around the Sun in fixed paths called orbits at different distances from the Sun. They travel in the same direction but at different speeds. The word planet comes from a Greek word which means wanderer. The Sun is at the center of the Solar System. It is a giant ball of very hot gases. It looks much bigger than the other stars in the sky because it is closer to the Earth than any other star. The Sun is important to us because it gives us heat and light. It is an important source of energy. The energy obtained from the Sun is called solar energy. This energy can be used to cook, to light up streets at night and to run cars. Many planets in the Solar System have small companions called satellites moving around them that vary in size, shape and number. The Earth has only one satellite, the Moon, which shines in the sky at night. The Sun is the only body in the Solar System that has its own light. Planets and satellites do not have light of their own. They shine because they reflect the light of the Sun. Jupiter has the maximum number of satellites. Mercury is the smallest planet in the Solar System and Jupiter is the largest. Saturn has many rings surrounding it. The Earth is the only planet in the Solar System that has life existing on it. Stars and constellations. Stars are hot balls of burning gases. The Sun is the star closest to the Earth. The stars are huge heavenly bodies having heat and light of their own. We can see countless stars twinkling in the sky at night. The bright star that we see in the sky is the pole star. There are billions of stars in the universe. Stars appear to have different colors because of their temperatures. Hotter stars are white or blue in color, whereas cooler stars appear orange or red. Some groups of stars form patterns in the sky. These patterns look like the shapes of different objects and animals. They are called constellations. Constellations are a group of bright stars that are visible in the night sky. For example, Ursa Major appears as a group of stars in the shape of a great bear. Some other constellations of the Orion and the Big Dipper. The stars have different sizes. They look very small because they are very far away from us. The stars shine all the time in the sky. During the day, the light from the Sun is so bright that we are unable to see the light of other stars in the sky. After the Sun, the star closest to us is the Proxima Centauri. The star that shines most brightly in the night sky is Sirius. Sirius is also known as the dog star. The Great Bear is known as the Saptarishi in India. Moon, our bright neighbor. Satellites are the celestial bodies that move around planets. All planets except Mercury and Venus have satellites. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. We can see the Moon in the sky at night along with the stars. The Moon does not have its own light. It gets its light from the Sun. The Moon is the closest neighbor of the Earth. The Moon changes its shape every night. Sometimes there is no moon in the sky. Have you ever wondered why there is no moon in the sky? It is because it moves around the Earth and the light of the Sun falls on different parts of the moon on different days. We can see only that part of the moon on which the light of the Sun falls. So, it seems that the moon changes its shape. Water was discovered on the moon in September 2009, but there is no air. So there is no life on the moon. Apart from the planets, there are certain small objects that also move around the Sun. There are chunks of rocks and metal found in the Solar System. These are called asteroids. Comets are made up of rocks. ice and gas. They also move around the sun.